Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on 1inch token. This is one of my favorite token that gives us a lot of trading opportunities again and again by forming the different harmonic moves. And in my previous video, I shared this chart with you. This was the video when I told you that the price action of 1inch has completed another bullish reversal harmonic cipher move, and from here it can start the next rally to the upside and try to break out the next resistance of $6. Before moving to the live chart, I would like to show you my previous ideas about the 1inch token that I have been sharing with you. This was the idea that I shared on 9th of January with you guys when the price line was just completing this final leg of the bullish cipher pattern. And I'm just going to play this chart. Now you can see that the price action completed this final leg of the bullish cipher, entered in this buying zone up to this level, and started a really very powerful rally to the upside. And this was the previous idea that I shared with you in my previous video as well. And this was a video, and this was another bullish reversal cipher pattern. And here we can see that the price action even spiked beyond this buying zone of this bullish cipher and retraced back in the very next candlestick in this buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, these were the sell targets. And as I told you that the price action this time can move to break out the next resistance of $6 from this buying zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a very powerful bullish rally, and this was the rally even beyond $6 up to $6.67. That was more than 74% powerful bullish rally, and moved down again. And while moving down, the price line has formed another bullish reversal harmonic move. And in today's video, I want to share this harmonic move with you guys. And I've already shared this harmonic move at the Patreon on 21st of April as a private chart I shared there. And today I want to share the complete buying and sell targets for this trade with you guys as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, here I am sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis. Then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and definitely you will find these trading ideas very beneficial for your trades. Now, first of all, here I want to show you this live daily time frame chart. Here we can see this was the previous pattern, the bullish harmonic cipher move that I shared with you in my previous video. And this was the video that I shared almost 3 weeks ago when I told you that the next explosive move of 1inch will shock the world, and that was more than 74% rally, and the price action is now retraced back up to this level. And after starting the bullish rally from the buying zone of this previous bullish cipher, now the price action has formed another bullish reversal harmonic bat move, and from the buying zone of this bat, the price action is likely to start the next bullish reversal move from here. Okay, in the previous move we have seen that the price action started this bullish rally, broke out the next resistance here at $5 and moved to the next resistance at $6. Here it formed the double bottom and moved down all the way to this previous level of $3.5. This is really very strong support. You can see even after several attempts so far, the price action is not able to break down this level, and now it is likely to move up from this $3.5. And it is again possible that once the price line will start this bullish reversal move, it will make another attempt to break out this next resistance of $6 from here. Now I want to show you this chart, and this is the same daily time frame chart. And here we can also observe that while moving or forming the different harmonic patterns, the price action has also formed this broadening formation. You can see that every time the price line is forming the higher highs, like for example here we have seen that the price line formed this high, then this high, then this high. And after forming this high, the price action is moved down at this support again. And from here, we can expect that this time the price line can form the higher than the previous higher price. Now, I would like to show you the different indicators here, and the price line is very much synchronized with the move or signals of these indicators. Like here I have placed this stochastic oscillator, and here I have placed this directional movement index. Now we can see that whenever the price line is at the support or reaches at this support, and the stochastic gives us the bull cross or buying signal, like this blue line crosses up the red line, then the price action starts the next rally to the upside and forms the higher than the previous high. Here we can see that the price line, when we also had the previous bullish reversal harmonic cipher move that I shared in my previous video with you guys, the price here, the stochastic was oversold. It was just entered in the oversold zone and gave us the buying signal, the bull cross. The blue line crossed up the red line, and you can see that the price action formed the next higher than the previous high. And now this time again, the price action after the formation of this next harmonic bat move, the price action is again at the support, and we have received the bull cross from the oversold zone by the stochastic oscillator. And at the same time, in the previous move, we can see that whenever we have, after the stochastic bull cross, we receive the bull cross between the blue line and the orange line. This blue line is the positive directional index, and this orange line is the negative directional index. And whenever this blue line in this directional movement indicator crosses up this orange line or the bearish line, that is the bullish signal. And after that, we can see that the price action turns bullish and reaches to this resistance of this broadening formation. And here we again receive this bull cross, like we received this bull cross or buying signal by the stochastic. And here we received a bull cross by the directional movement index, and then the price action again turned bullish and moved to the upside. So far, we have received a bull cross or buying signal by the stochastic, but this blue line did not cross up this orange line or bearish line. However, this blue line is moving to the upside, you can see, and the orange line is moving to the downside. When we will receive the bull cross, when this blue line will cross up this orange line, and this ADX, especially this ADX is very important because ADX in this directional movement indicator shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, if we will have this blue line above the orange line, this ADX will be showing the power of bulls. For example, here we had this blue line above the orange line, and we also had this ADX we can see at this level that was showing the power of bulls. And once this blue line will be moved up and the ADX will be also moved up, that will be showing the power of bulls, and we can expect another powerful rally to the upside that can lead the price action to form another higher than the previous high. Now let's watch the buying and sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat pattern. And we can see that the buying range of this bullish bat as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern starts from $4.67 and ends up to $4.42. And this is the current price action. We can see that it is moving at $4.53. So it means that it is still in this buying zone. And the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence are $5.28 up to $6.18. However, I'm expecting that this bullish bat pattern will be helpful for the price action to form the higher than the previous higher price. For example, the previous higher price was $6.67 here. Then it can even set the higher than this level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, where I am sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.